This is Lubuntu 16.04.1, just as it comes fresh from a new installation on a remote drive. I've added simple screen recorder, VLC, and pulse audio, but otherwise this is a fresh installation. Just to show you what it comes with, under accessories it has an archive manager, a character map, GNOME disks, file manager which is PCman FM, the calculator, image viewer, LeafPad which is a text editor, and XPad which is a note taker. Under graphics it has document viewer, MT Paint graphic editor, and Simple Scan. Under internet it has Firefox, Pigeon Internet Messenger, Sylpheed which is an email client, and Transmission which is a BitTorrent client. Under Office it has Abby Word, the lightweight word processor, and G-Numeric, a lightweight spreadsheet. Under sound and video it has the ALSA mixer, it has Audacious, it has the GNOME M-Player, GUVC view, simple screen recorder which I added, VLC media player which I added, and XF burn for burning CDs and DVDs. Under system tools it has FCITX, don't know what it is, but I'll find out, GDebi package installer, the LightDM GTK Plus greeter settings, Lubuntu Software Center, LX Terminal, a terminal emulator, network settings, printers, software updater, startup disk creator, synaptic package manager, system profiler and benchmark, task manager, time and date, and users and groups. Under preferences it has additional drivers, Bluetooth manager, customized look and feel, default applications for the LX session, desktop preferences, GNOME disks, FCITX configuration, keyboard and mouse, language support, light locker settings, monitor settings, network connections, open box configuration manager, power manager, and software and updates. Then there's a line for running software from the command line, and logout, which gives you an option of shutting down, restarting, logging out, etc. Aside from the menu, this is the file manager, PCman FM. This is a show the desktop or minimize all windows applet. And these are the two workspaces. You can add workspaces. I usually run it with 4. This space in the center is for open tasks. So if I run the calculator, it shows up down here as being open. I can minimize it and maximize it again. On the right, first we have the audio volume. Then we have the battery monitor. This little icon just shows that Simple Screen Recorder is running. Then we have the network manager, the time and date, and another shutdown option. The desktop field just shows the trash at the moment. Here's a peek at AbiWord, the lightweight word processor. And here's a peek at GNumeric, the lightweight spreadsheet. So I'm going to make some changes. Desktop preferences. There certainly isn't a very large selection of wallpapers. So I'm going to use one of my own photographs. So here's a photo I took at Mount Rainier a couple of years ago, and that will do for now. I'm going to get rid of those icons. Now I'm going to change the color of the panel. I'm going to move this to the top. Going to add another panel to the bottom. I'm going to add a minimize all windows applet. It's over on the left. I'm going to add a spacer. I'm going to add the taskbar or window list. Going to add another spacer. I'm going to add the desktop pager. I'm going to right-click on desktop pager and increase the number to 4. So on the top panel, I'm going to remove the desktop pager. And I'm going to remove the taskbar. I'm going to minimize all windows. I'm going to activate the spacer. I'm going to activate these 2 spacers. Now, the only problem is I can't read my date and time. So I'm going to go back to panel settings. Appearance, font, custom color. All right, now I can read the time. So now I'm going to add some applications. Go to Synaptic Package Manager. I'm going to add LibreOffice. You have to scroll down to find it. Mark for installation. It's going to install all these other things. And I'm going to add GIMP. Now I'm going to click on Apply. Click on Apply here. And while this is going on, I'm going to pause the video. So those changes are made. Now I'm going to get rid of AbiWord and G-numeric. Mark for removal. Now notice it says to be removed Lubuntu desktop. It's not actually going to remove all of the desktop applications. It's going to remove the meta package, which installed all of them at once. Everything is going to remain except the applications I specifically remove. So I'm going to mark that. Now, G-numeric. Mark for removal. Might as well get rid of this too. Now I'm going to click on Apply. So now when I look under Office, I find that I have the complete LibreOffice suite, and there's no mention at all of AbiWord or G-numeric. Under Graphics, I have GIMP installed. Now I'm going to try a big one. I'm going to try to install GNOME boxes. on the list. Click on Apply. Click on Apply. So GNOME Boxes is now installed. To see how it's going to work, I'm going to have to fetch an ISO file. The only thing I don't like about Lubuntu is that it doesn't yet have window snaps, but it's a minor complaint. File, new window. Alright, I'm going to go into my internal drive and I'm going to go to ISOs. And I have, let's try the Apricity ISO. I'm going to put it under downloads. So copy, paste, all right. Now I'm ready to try GNOME Boxes. Box setup failed. Well, it looks like GNOME Boxes installs in Lubuntu, but it doesn't work in Lubuntu. So there's a limitation. I should point out that Boxes does work in Ubuntu Mate, and it does not work in Linux Mint, to my knowledge. Therefore, while Lubuntu can be enhanced far beyond its original appearance, it still has limitations, and I still think I would choose Ubuntu Mate as my everyday operating system. This is XRAM Tech. Thanks for watching.